Hello and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series, where today we're going to be learning how to draw a super simple guitar. To make sure we get it just right, we're going to start off by making some lines with a pencil, then we'll finish it off with a pen, so make sure you have both with you before you start. We're going to start off with what's known as the neck of the guitar, which is made up of a thin, long rectangle. On top of this rectangle, draw a slightly wider square. Now, draw a circle at the very base of the rectangle, followed by another little rectangle underneath it, which might look a bit like a letterbox. The next bit is the fun bit, as you're going to decide what you want the body of your guitar to look like. Perhaps you want to make it look really rock and roll, making the lines curve into fun shapes and sizes. However, today I'm just going to go with a nice, simple acoustic guitar by drawing an oval with a curved dent on either side, starting from the bottom of the big rectangle to just below the small rectangle. As you've got this far, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel? We also have fun new videos every day, and you can also hit the bell button so you know exactly when we've uploaded. Now you can see we have the basic shapes of our guitar, so now we're going to take our pen and fill it in with some more detail. We'll start by tracing over the long rectangle we started with, followed by the circle and the smaller rectangle just below it. Next, go over the very top square of your guitar, where you can always add a little pinch at the top, just like this. It just gives it a little bit more flair. Add in 3 little lines on either side of the head of the guitar, adding a circle on the outside of each. And however you've decided to design the body of your guitar, make sure to go back over that with your pen too. Next, perhaps, is the most important part of the guitar, the strings. Draw 6 long lines going from the head all the way down to the very bottom rectangle of the guitar. Perhaps use a ruler for this to try and get some straighter lines. Now, all that's left is what are known as the frets of the guitar. These are quite simply lines that go across the neck. However, as they get further down, the gaps between them get smaller and smaller. On a real guitar, these frets are used so you can hit those really high-pitched sounds. And there you have it, a super cool looking guitar all ready to play. We hope you enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe to see all of our amazing videos, and we'll see you next time.